Today we take class on LCM and HCF. Question number 1. First polynomial is given fx equal to this one, and here you see all the terms have the x, and lowest power of x is 1, so we can take x from the all terms. So here we have taken common x, then remaining 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is deducted. After that 2x 20x we have written here, and the second one is the middle term factor. We have done middle term factor here, and here also 20x I have written here, and 2x and 4 minus x I multiply by the x, that is 4x minus x minus 2. Then again this one as it is I have written, and from here 2 pairs is there, and I have taken 2x from the first, x plus 2 is written, and here is there is no any common factor is there, only 1 is there, so I have taken common 1. Then x plus 2 is written here. Next line, this 20x I have written as it is, and here x plus 2 and x plus 2 I have taken common x plus 2, and remaining term is here 2x, and here is minus 1 I have taken and written here. Then next line is 20, I have factorized it. 20 means 2 into 5, x is remain, and another one I have written as it is. Second polynomial gx, 45 into x to the power 4 plus 8x. In this part both the term is have x, so we can take a common x, then it become x cube plus 8. Then I have taken as it is this one, and this part we have to factorize it using the identity a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube identity, you know, I have sent you in last class, that is a cube plus b cube means a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here 45x I have written as it is, this one a and this one b, that is a plus b, that is x plus 2 into x square minus ab plus b square. And 40 again I have written this one and this one also, and this one I have removed the square part, that is x square minus 2x, 2 square means 4. Now I have written the two polynomials, that is fx from the up here, and gx, that is gx equal to this one I have written here. Here is 45 means 3 into 5 into x, and another also I have written as it is. Now firstly I have to find out the HCF. HCF means the common factors between the two polynomials. Here you see in two polynomials 5 and 5 are common, so I have to take 5, and here x and x are the common, so I have to take the x, and here x plus 2 and here is x plus 2, both are common, so I have taken this one, x plus 2 and x plus 2. Now you multiply 5 into x, that is 5x into x plus 2. This is your HCF, and we know LCM equal to fx into gx by HCF. So just you put the value, here, fx equal to this one I have written here, and gx equal to this one I have written here, and HCF equal to, just we find out, 5x into this one I have written in lower portion, denominator portion, and cut up and down, which one is common, 5 and 5 we cut, x and x cut, x plus 2 and cut, and remaining portion from the upper portion, that is numerator, I have written here, and the numbers I multiply, we get 180 and x, and another I have just put here, written here. This is your LCM. Now question number 2 we discuss, and here is first factor is fx equal to this one. You observe it here. Here common factor for the all term is x square. So we have to take common x square. Then this one is come out. Now x square you write as it is. Then second part we have to do by splitting the middle term factor, as we have studied in class 9. Here is middle splitting, means middle number we have to divide it into two parts. So sum will be 6x and multiplication will be 8, that is 4x and 2x. X square you also write as it is, and then here is 2 pair is there. From the first pair common factor is x, so you take common x, then it will be x plus 4, and from the second it is you take common 2, then it will be x plus 4. Now you write this one as it is, and common factor is here x plus 4 and x plus 4. Out of 2 you take 1, and remaining 1 x plus 2 is here. Second polynomial is this one. You observe this here, common factor is 7x cube. So you take common 7x cube, then this one is come out, and you write as it is this one, and we have to factorize this one by the middle splitting factor as we have done earlier. Then it will be 20, that is 4 into 5, so you write minus 4x minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. Then you write this one as it is, and you take common from the two pair. From first pair you take common x, then x minus 5 is come out, and from the second you take common 4, it come out x minus 4. X minus 5, x minus 5 both are common, so you take this one, and here x plus 4 you write here, and 7x cube as it is you put here. Here is 7x cube, so you may write 7 into x square into x, and another one is as it is. Now you just write the factor of the fx, that is fx equal to this one you put here, and gx equal to this one, so you write here. For the both now we have to find out the HCF. We know the HCF equal to the common factor for the both polynomials, and here x square and x square are common, so we have take here x square, and x plus 4 and x plus 4 we have taken here, so HCF equal to this one. Again we know LCM equal to fx into gx by HCF. Now you put the value of fx from here, and then the value of gx from here, and in downside you put the value of HCF, that is x square plus x square into x plus 4, and cut the common factor, that is x plus 4, x plus 4, x square, x square, remaining one just we put here, and this is your LCM. Now we take question number 3. First polynomial here is fx equal to this one. You see it in the all three terms, there is x is the common factor, so you take common x from the three terms, so it becomes 24x, and another one will be x square. 9x is from 9x square we take x, so it will be 9x. Here is 20x, we take all here x, so it will be 20. And this one as it is, we have to write this factor. We have to do by splitting the middle one, that is 9x. We have to split into two parts, that is x square. 9 means 4x plus 5x plus 4x plus 20. Now you write here this one as it is, and here is two pair is remain. From the first pair you take common x, then x plus 5 is deducted, and here from 2 4 is the common factor, so you take common 4, then it will be x plus 5. Now this one also as it is we have written, and this one x plus 5 are common, so you take here, and another two terms is x plus 4 you written here. Now 20 you factorize it. 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 x, and this we have to write as it is. In a 20 করে দেন ওনে পোজ করে। Second polynomial is gx equal to this one. Here also you see here x is the common variables having lowest power 2, so you can take common x square from the all, and remain is x square plus x minus 2. Now this one you write as it is, and this one we have to factorize it by the process of middle splitting factor. 12 means 4 into 3, so you write here 4x plus minus 3x. Then next one you write as it is, and from the first pair you take common x, then it becomes x plus 4, and from the next pair you take common 3, then x plus 4 is the retained. You write here this one as it is. You see here is x plus 4, then x plus 4 is remain, x minus 3 we have written. Now here is 28 we have to split it, that is 28 means 2 into 2 into 7 into x square, and remaining portion already we have written. Now we have to write the value of the fx, I mean factorization portion. Fx equal to this one, and gx equal to just you write this one here. And now we have to find out the HCF. HCF means common factor for the both polynomials, that is here is 2 and 2 common for both, so we have taken this one. Here is also 2 and 2 are common, so we have taken here. Here is x in, but there is no another x, so we cannot take, but this x and x are common, so we have to take here. And another term is x plus 4, here is x plus 4, so out of 2 we can take 1, just you multiply this portion, so it is 2 into 2 4x into x plus 4. And now we know the same formula 1, LCM equal to fx into gx by HCF. Just you put the value from here, fx equal to here, and gx equal to from here you put, and the value of HCF you put the down one and just cut. 2 into 2 4, so 4 you cut, x into x cut, x plus 4 cut, and remaining numbers you multiply, it become 168. X and x square, and remaining term just you put here. This is your LCM. Your homework is question number 4, 5 and 6. Do it and submit to me.